Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Rebuilds Garage. My name is Roman, and today we're headed somewhere pretty special. We're going to LA today, and we're going to Insurance Auto Auction, iaai. And you know LA and their cars, you know they have some dope cars there. So I'm hoping we can find some gems over there, record. We're gonna look at some exotics, some classic cars, muscle cars, you know, some unique cars, something you don't really get anywhere else. Then there's a couple places, probably like New York, Miami, LA, and it's one of those places that I'm super excited. So let's get into the road. It's about 20-hour drive, so it's gonna take me a minute, but for you guys it's real quick. Let's go. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe in the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, go follow us on Instagram, Auto Rebuilds Garage. Now let's get into the video. Before we get into this video, if you guys want to go see these cars, go to iaai.com, type in the stock numbers. All the stock numbers are going to be in the description below. Go check them out. If you like to use your phone, you could download their app, iaai Buyer, and also you download it, just go search up the stock number, go check them out. If you do want to buy them, just register. Pretty easy, simple, easy website to use or app, and go purchase the car. They have all kinds of certs. They have like transportation. They could help you out with transportation, financing, different types of stuff. Go check them out, and let's get into this video. So first car we're looking at is a 2008 Bentley Continental. And look at this thing. As you can see, it has some front end damage, and this thing, I'll give you a little specs on it. It's a 12-cylinder 6.0, and I don't know exactly how much horsepower this produces, but because you guys can see something is probably broken window here. Sucks I can't open that side of the door, but look at this thing. Overall pretty clean. Maybe I could open this side. Take a look. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at this interior. Dang. This is some baller stuff. Interior is intact. A little bit on the seat right there, but that's no big deal. Let's see. Look at this thing. Speed. Look at that. 6.0 twin turbo. And this thing has 76,000 miles. Look at this thing. It's gonna need some new headlights. Yeah, that one is done, and that one, look at that. But overall, I don't think there's any frame damage. Like, it's just a bumper. But I mean, I don't know how much bumpers cost for this thing. I don't think it would be too bad. Look at that. Bentley, this thing looks dope. So, let's see. I got you guys something. You guys got to check this car out, okay? Look at this. This is a Gallardo, I believe. Let's see if I'm correct. Oh, Murcielago. I apologize. 2008 Murcielago. And look at those doors. I mean, the doors still work. They're not good doors. It looks like it caught a fire. Hopefully, whoever's driving this is good. I don't know exactly what was going on, but I would say, I almost said the front wheels are still good, but you could probably still repair that. Pretty significant damage, but you could probably still repair that. The back tire is completely melted. Or I mean, oh, back tire and the back wheel. Sorry, it's pretty loud because these guys are running around and I don't want to be in their way. So look at this. There's a radiator on the back here. Look at the exhaust. And this is a carbon fiber right here. This is a burnt carbon fiber. Look, it looks like, so carbon fiber is like some kind of, look at that. It looks like a, it's kind of fabric. So it's not even like it's not a solid, which I knew it was something, but all it is like a bunch of these fabrics put together, and that's it. That's why it's so light. Material, sorry, it's like fabric material type. You guys are probably all laughing at me, but this is all carbon fiber right here. I mean, maybe you could still save something. I don't know how the engine is in the back. All this carbon fiber is melted. What can you get off this car? Probably the trunk here in the front, and maybe the windshield. The front bumper is destroyed. Maybe that headlight, but not sure. And it has an Uber. Tough to say if this was an Uber car or not, but that headlight is destroyed. So pretty much probably either like a yard ornament. If you're like, have a few Lamborghinis collectors, I would maybe park it up front. The dash is destroyed, but I don't know, the odometer over there, I don't know if that's a separate piece or not. Probably still save that. Frame burnt, damaged, but I know this is not much of a car, but still interesting. And you know, seeing a burnt Lamborghini, how many, you know, everybody sees Lamborghinis intact all over YouTube. Everybody has one, you know, but a burnt one, this 2008, this is not bad. It's a little older, but still pretty cool. So this was like carbon fiber, and it was painted over. So I believe everything then is carbon fiber. I thought they had some fiberglass pieces, but looking at it here, even the front is carbon fiber. This thing, I'm not sure if it's carbon fiber or not. Actually, yes it is. Look at that. You can see the carbon right there. Pretty cool. So here's the stock number. Go check it out. Maybe you want it. I don't know. If you do pick it up, let me know.